I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds. We are going to kit up Frosty the Snowman. Hello. We are having a bit of a technical difficulty, but the show must go on. So here we are, Frosty the Snowman. This is going to be my last kit of 2024. He is going to travel with me to my son's house and go camping with me to my other son's house. So here we go. First things first, I got to get it going in my logbook. So I've already photocopied the color grid, cut out my little picture from the box. Now I'm going to put the information about the kit. It is a Camelot dots kit. It is called Frosty the Snowman. And we are going to, here we go. It's got 13 colors with 2 ABs. This one, these 2 ABs. I don't know how many diamonds there actually is. Oh, yes, I do. There is 4,744 drills. Nice. Mr. Pampered will be very, very happy. So I'm going to put my picture right there. I'm going to put him over here because I'm going to do something a little different. Put it there. My grandson loves Frosty the Snowman. And then our color schematic right here. Start date. Will be 12/23/24. Finish date? Well, we don't know. And I'm going to put my spare drills here, and then there'll be a baggie for trash drills and little notes about the canvas. So this is my log. Anything else I want to share? Nope. All right, so this is the book. Put that aside. I am using a Harbor Freight container. So this is number 1. I actually need the schematic for this. Okay, number 1 is these guys. So, and that is the letter A. Got my garbage bowl. And B is going to be bag number 2. That's number 3. That's 13, 4, 5, 7, 9, 6, 12, 11, 8. All right. We need bag number 2. There we are. Bag number 2. Looks like black. It's kind of I'd say it's your standard 310 actually. And then we have C, bag number 3, which is a gray. And then F, which is number 4, which is this pretty, pretty blue. Then after F, we get H. Hey, I didn't write this alphabet. And H is 5, which is our AB. And there was an AB on my table. Here it is. He escaped, but we will put him back in there. Don't know where he came from or why he was even free, but he has been rescued. After H is K. Like I said, I didn't write this alphabet. And it is bag 6. Which is green. And it looks like there is some static in there. We got some jumping beans going on. After K is L, which is number 7, which is this pea green. I'm not a fan of that green. I might change it up. It's my painting. I can do that if I want to. After L, we get S. Jump all the way to S. And S is number 8, which is this pretty, pretty blue, pink. That's not a blue, Nancy. That is a pink. That is S. After S, we get the letter V, which is number 9, which is this light brown. Then we have the percentage sign, and the percentage sign is bag 10, which is this yellow, and we only have a few of those. Only a few yellows. I'll have to see where they go, because I might make them ABs or fairy dust or something, because that's what I do. And then equal sign, and the equal sign is number 11, which is this pretty blue. Come on. Then the plus sign, which is number 13, which is this guy. We get 4 of them, and I believe we only need 1, but we're okay. And then we have a black triangle, which is number 12, which is our last bag, and it is white. And I may make those fairy dust. I don't know. I'll see when I'm doing it what the mood says. All right. That is my kit up, and I have 3 extra, but I need to put a kit in there. I am going to put this kit in there, right like that. And now we are ready to go. And I will put it in my scrapbook case. And it all fits. And I also take a bigger tray for when there's color blocking. So we're good. I got everything I need right in here, and it travels. Yay! That is my quick kit up of Frosty the Snowman. Happy New Year, everyone, and I'll see you next year.